The carrier landing pattern is essentially the same as the field carrier landing pattern. Enter at 800 feet, 250 knots. Brake past the bow. Extend the speed brakes and reduce throttle. When under 225 knots, lower landing gear and flaps. When level, descend to 600 feet and slow to 150 knots or less. Check distance abeam, 1.25 miles, and complete the landing checklist. Establish optimum angle of attack. At the 180, make a level turn and hold 600 feet through the 90. Intercept the glide slope with optimum angle of attack and report. Hold meatball, line up, optimum angle of attack until touchdown. Fly the carrier pattern with the same basic procedures and techniques you learned in field carrier landing practice. Pass the bow and take interval on other traffic. Brake, extend the speed brakes, and when slowed below 225 knots, lower the landing gear and flaps. Adjust your turn to get 1.25 miles abeam and 600 feet. And cross-check the angle of attack indexer and indicator. At the 180, start your turn with about 22 degrees of bank and maintain optimum angle of attack. As you intercept the glide slope, report. Commence your descent. On final, make small corrections for meatball, lineup, and angle of attack. Maintain your attitude and fly the meatball down to the deck. On touchdown, apply military power and retract the speed brakes. When you feel a positive arrestment, retard the throttle to idle and raise the hook and flaps. Stay off the brakes until the aircraft rolls back and the director signals brakes. Then hold both brakes and apply power to accelerate for the come ahead signal.